we don't have a homestead yet. But in this series, we're doing one skill. We're learning one skill to get us one step closer to the homestead of our dreams. Today's video is going to be a compilation video, so it's going to take a little bit of time to make. But I am already a little bit of an ingredient household, but I need to convert a little bit more into an ingredient household. Basically, I'm seeing how long can I go unreliant of a grocery store. Now, I don't have like a cow or chickens or goats or anything to provide any of the basics. So I do still need to go get milk, eggs, coffee creamer. That's going to be a hard one to wean off of. But everything else, I'm just using the surplus that we have in our deep freezer. Part of homesteading that I want to do is to be able to fill our freezer and fridge and preserve as much food that we grow ourselves, whether that's chickens, pigs, etc. So I have dinner idea today based on the ingredients in my freezer. We had chicken tenders that have been in the freezer for months now. Broccoli, now I would like to use fresh broccoli, but we have the frozen back stuff, so we're going to use that today. And rice. So ideally, if I was to be making this meal on my homestead, the broccoli and the chicken would be from the farm. So let's get into it. Medium heat chicken tenders. Cooking chicken is something that I have to get more comfortable with. I just am so scared of salmonella.
Owie!
Careful, baby.